Hey friends, how y'all doing? It's Kimberly back again to share another video, and today I'm going to share my book haul. Most of my life, my adult life, my working life for 25 years, my birthday was kind of forgotten at work because we would go back to school right after the holidays, and my birthday is in January, early January. This year, what I did was I planned ahead and I saved up a bunch of my books from Book of the Month so that I would have something to open on my birthday. Is anybody else like me? Anyway, let's get started. My first book that I had chosen was The Cloisters. This is by Katie Hayes, and I don't know much about it. It just says behind the closed doors of the cloisters, shocking secrets in a mysterious deck of tarot cards spark a deadly power game within a close-knit group of researchers. So other than that, I don't know much. I like to go into my books kind of blind, so we'll see where that goes. I also chose White Horse by Erica T. Worth. And this says, some people are haunted in more ways than one. That's all I need to know there. We have Claire McIntosh, The Last Party. I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I tried not to watch anybody's videos because I don't want to be spoiled on anything. It says, on New Year's Eve, Reese Lloyd has a house full of guests. On New Year's Day, Fionn Morgan has a village full of suspects. So, very interesting. Then I am a BFF on Book of the Month, so I chose this for my free book because I had read all the other ones out of the 5 choices. I don't know much about this other than I didn't choose it the month that it was offered, but now I get a second chance. And this says, a master of absorbing sophisticated fiction returns with a stylish and propulsive novel set in 1950s America. So I like the cover there. Oh, sorry. That's called The Lincoln Highway by Amor Towles. I hope I'm saying that right. I apologize if I'm not. And another one I chose for my birthday gift, Kiss Her Once for Me by Allison Cochran. I don't know much about it. I just want to go in blind. Queen of Thieves by B.Z. Marsh. An electrifying historical adventure about a ring of bold and resourceful female thieves in post-World War II London. Queen of Thieves. Almost done, I promise. Wait, excuse me. Another birthday choice. What Lies in the Woods by Kate Alice Marshall. They were 11 when they sent a killer to prison. They were heroes, but they were liars. Ooh, got a lot of suspense and thrillers, didn't I? Another birthday book, Hellbent by Leigh Bardugo, which means I also need to read The Ninth House, but I've heard good things, and since I knew this one was coming out, and I had just received the other one from Book of the Month, I wanted to go ahead and wait and read them together, hopefully do a vlog. Another birthday book, this one came from Target, not Book of the Month, is about Elizabeth Taylor, and it says the grit and glamour of an icon. And I'll always remember her as Cleopatra from when I was a kid. And this is by Kate Anderson Brower. Excuse me, they put the tag right there. But I ordered this from Target a couple of months back to prepare for my birthday. And there you have it. Those are my 9 books that I purchased for my birthday. Anyway, this is going to be an enjoyable year now that I have enough books to last me a while. Also, I have this jewelry. I have a sponsor, I guess. I have a sponsor now, and it's called On a Rainbow. And I'll put the link down below where you can get 50% off the jewelry. I also got bracelets, and it's to represent the LGBTQIA plus community. But I chose these. Look at these beads. Aren't they pretty? I like this one because it had a variety of beads. And then I got these earrings. They have different styles, and I'll talk more about that later. If you'd like to support my channel, I'll leave links down below along with the link to On a Rainbow. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. Until next time, friends, let's live in faith. Bye. Thank you.